Hey y'all, Todd Wilson with InternetLaunchMarketing.com. Today's lesson, quick little tutorial on how to create a PayPal button and then insert it into a WordPress page. I had a couple clients lately struggling with it a little bit, so putting together a little tutorial to show the process and really how easy that is. Starting out, we're here in your PayPal account. We're in Merchant Services. Just click on that. That's how you get to this page. Just go ahead and hit Create Payment button for your website. And here you are in the button creating portion of PayPal. We're just going to do a little practice button and make it a little $30 button. Lots of other bells and whistles come along with this. You can even go down to step 2 is your inventory and customize advanced features and all that stuff. We're just going to go ahead and create the button. And once you do that, you have a bunch of code here. Go ahead and select that code. I'm right clicking and then copy, and bouncing over to my WordPress page. Here is the editing portion of the WordPress dashboard, and you can see we're in visual. That's what this indicates. Over here you also have an HTML. See where that lights up a little bit when I glide over it. But I wanted to take just a second, and for those of you who are familiar with the WordPress dashboard, you might notice there's a few more bells and whistles that I have over here. This is called CK Editor, and it's a great plugin that gives you some fonts and some sizes and color options for your editing in your WordPress dashboard. So I went through a number of different third-party editing processes when I first started WordPress, and I have just landed on the idea that it's a lot easier to do all of my document creation and content creation in WordPress, but I wanted to have a few more options for my editing, and that's what this provides me. So we're going to bounce over to the HTML. That's the key ingredient here. You have to be in the HTML mode, which gives you all of the code for your page. I'm going to scroll down and put this button at the bottom of the page. Get your cursor in there, position it where you want your button to go. I'm right clicking and hitting paste, and then my button drops in there, or my code for my button drops in. Take a look at the visual portion of it to see if it's really there, and it really is there. I've actually had a couple of them in here practicing this, so the one we just put in is the bottom one. So let's go ahead, and if I hit the cursor on the one that I'm working on, I can also move that with my centering tool within my editor and go ahead and update. You're going to see when we roll over to the view of the page, you got a number of buttons. One was already on the page for a project that we did before, and the bottom one you can see is the new one we just dropped in. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and make sure that it works, and there is the option to go ahead and make a payment. So it's just that simple. In your PayPal account, Merchant Services, go ahead and create the button. You come to the brings you to the portion here where you can grab the code. You're going to go ahead and select the code, go over to your WordPress page that you want to put the button in, make sure your cursor is in the right position, right click, paste the code in, do any editing as far as positioning you need to do, and make sure that you hit the update portion in the dashboard there to update the page once you got the button in place, and you should be good to go. That's it. Todd Wilson, InternetLaunchMarketing.com. Any comments you might have, leave below, please. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.